Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change password on Gmail account. First of all, open gmail.com and then click your profile icon and then click manage your Google account. Go to security, scroll down and find password. Click on the password and here you might need to enter your old password. And then click next. Enter your new password here. Enter the password confirmation and then click change password. And there you go. Your password has been changed. And yeah, that's all for this video on how to change password on Gmail account. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. And see you in the next video. Thank you.